Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to make a flapping board with the Origami Art. We just need one piece of paper. They will make it as a square. We have to cut this piece. Now we have our square. So we have already this diagonal line. So we have just make it in another side. Try to match the edges. Now we have to turn our paper and make it one horizontally and one vertically. We open our paper and we have to make a diamond shape. So we just turn our work and we see these lines are folded in the opposite side of this. So we have just to make a diamond shape. Now we need to crease to help our next step. So we just have to fold the paper like this and dropping these two triangles in the middle. And this line ahead. Now we open our work and we have to open this shape. Trying to fold it in this way. Dropping these two sides ahead. Now we have to fold the paper diagonally on this side, and then we have to open this section and make it and fold it diagonally as well. Now we have to make the head and just folding this edge in here. And now we have just to make the wings. Just following this line, increase it, doing the same with this. And trying to a little bit round our wings in this way. And our origami bird is done. And this was an easy way to make a flapping bird with the origami art. I hope you enjoy in making it. Thank you for watching. See you guys.